Welcome back, boys, girls, ladies, and gentlemen. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over how you can easily and quickly remove the background of any image in GIMP and make it completely transparent. So I decided to use a somewhat complex scene or image. Now, this image here is a shark I created in Blender, but let's go ahead and remove some of the background so we just have the shark so we can use it on any other background as we please. So let's go ahead and use this one tool here, fuzzy select, or you can hit U on your keyboard. Then go ahead and click the areas we want. All right. Now let's right click and go down to edit and hit clear. Now you notice that the background, instead of becoming transparent, is now becoming this color. I believe this is the background color. Right, let's hit Ctrl Z and undo that and go to select and select all, and let's go to layer, transparency, and add an alpha channel. All right, so if you're trying to remove the background of any image and the image is would I say refusing to allow the background be removed, just simply check if it has an alpha channel already. If it does, you would not have this option, you will have this. But since mine doesn't, we can go ahead and click add alpha channel. All right, now we've tackled that problem. Now let's go ahead and click once more and go into edit and clear. You notice that the background is now transparent. All right, so this image here has a gradient. All right, so the selection tool will try to select as much as it can. Right, so just go ahead and click the areas you wish. I think I will leave some of the bubbles. Let's go ahead to edit and clear. Let me select this guy, edit and clear. All right. So I think this looks nice. Now this is transparent. Now when you're saving this, I'll do well to save it as a PNG and not a JPEG, because I'll just save it as that. So we have this transparency built in. So now you can use this for anything you wish. You can go ahead and add a new layer, and in that layer you fill it with another color. All right, so you have a completely different background altogether. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials in GIMP, do well to drop a comment in the comment section. And if you haven't already, do well to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you get notified every time a new video like this drops. You'll be the first to know. All right, subscribe, like the video, you know the drill. And until next time, guys, have a nice one.